Great technique. Nobody got time for that. It's broke. I'm so sad. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, let me know in the comments below if you have seen those videos on Instagram or generally on the internet where they pour hot caramel onto a chocolate ball and it goes kind of thing. Have you seen those videos? Because oh my gosh, I could watch them for days. And today, in today's video, I'm going to be trying to make my own. I'm a little bit nervous. I just don't think this is gonna work, but I have found a recipe. I'm gonna try and put it to the test. We're gonna see if we can make a chocolate ball and we're gonna see how this goes. Let me know in the comments below whether you think I'm gonna fail or succeed at this challenge. Also, if you find any funny screenshots, which normally you guys find so many screenshots of me pulling weird faces, make sure you do follow me on my social media. My username is @Jazzybum. It is the same on every single platform. And then tweet me or Instagram me and use the hashtag JazzyShots so I can see all of the terrible photos of me looking like a weirdo. Let's get started. I'm a little bit nervous. So I have these. I think I've got 4 of them in front of me because I know that my first one will probably fail. So I'm gonna do this a few times. And I thought I'd also do a couple with brown chocolate and a couple with white chocolate to see if that's any fun. And, oh my goodness, I bought some gold glitter spray so that I can spray one of them gold and just for the fun of it, because why not? Chocolate. I have a lot of chocolate. I was kind of going by the fact that I will probably fail, and so I bought a lot. But I think I may have bought too much. I bought quite a lot of chocolate. The first step is to chop this up and get it melting. Right, let's chop up some chocolate. Ooh! I don't think I've ever struggled so much to open a chocolate bar before. Ooh! Chopping chocolate is not easy. Oh, it's getting a bit easier. Or maybe I'm getting stronger. And I'm going to put this into a bowl. And then I think you need about half again to put in the chocolate once it's melted so that it tempers. I think. His instructions say 60 grams and 30 grams. I don't really want to be measuring exact grammage of chocolate because nobody got time for that. Chocolate is done. I'm gonna boil the kettle and we're gonna start melting. Kettle is boiling and it's cute and blue. I would turn all the lights off so you could see, but that's just too much work and I am lazy. I'm going to put on my trusty pink glove so that I don't burn my hand. I really just want to dip my finger in there. I won't because I'll probably burn it, but I really want to. I wish there was smell-o-vision or smell-a tube. So now what you do is you take the bowl off the heat, steam, and you put the extra chocolate into it. And hopefully the second lot of chocolate should melt and temper the chocolate, which means that it will harden nicely. Here comes the bit where I will probably mess up. We're going to pour some chocolate into one of these containery things and roll it round. I don't know how much I'm doing. Everybody seems to do a different amount, so I'm just gonna go for that amount. Oh goodness, I don't know. We're gonna shove the other side of this on. Oh my goodness, this seems a bit scary. I don't think I put enough chocolate in there. We're adding more chocolate. Can you see that? Just going round a bubble. Ooh. Maybe we should leave this to professionals in the future. I'm closing this teeny gap, look. Bye, see you later. Just this massive bit here to try and cover. I don't know if shaking it helps. Am I doing a massive faux pas? Are you not meant to shake the chocolate? I'm gonna do a second one for safety reasons. I think this one might have gone better. I don't know if this does anything, but oh, it does. Hey, this is a great technique. Look, there's the teeny. It's closed. Okay, we have 2 balls done. I'm gonna put these in the fridge. Okay, it has been about 20 minutes maybe that the chocolate balls have been in the fridge. We're going to try and pull off the outsides. I don't think this is gonna work at all. Oh my gosh, I can't get in there. I physically can't open it. Oh wait, oh no. Look! It broke it off. I am not too sure what I've done wrong. I am sad. Okay, attempt number 2. Now this one I moved across to the freezer and it's been in there for about 10 minutes and it currently looks like this. So I'm pretty sure you can see that this is where the chocolate is stuck to the mold and this is where it's come away from the mold. So I'm hoping that means that most of it has come away from the mold, and these are so hard to pull apart. Please don't break. It's fused. I actually can't get this thing open. How on earth are people doing this? Ah, I broke a nail. I think I've broken it. No, 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 no. It's just broken. Oh, I don't understand. I am so sad. Why do you not work? I'm angry. I am angry. People have clicked on this video to see you make a chocolate ball and you haven't made a chocolate ball. I'm so annoyed right now. You looked so hopeful. You really did. And then you went and did this to me. Alas, we will try again. Okay, we're gonna try it again. This ball I coated in a teeny bit of food spray. I think I tempered it better, I don't know. And I put it in the freezer and it looks like it may have worked. So, attempt number I don't even know what. We're going to try and pull this ball apart. Please just pull apart. It broke again. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, and it would have worked. This ball would have worked had that not been so hard to... Oh, this is good enough. Look at that. Oh. Why did you break? You were doing so well. Look. Wait, I think I can fit this last bit in. Maybe not, I broke it. I'm gonna try again. Oh. I've got my excitement back, I'm excited. It is many an hour later. We're gonna attempt another one. I'm tired, I just want one to work. Wait. Wait, how do I get this off? I cannot get this off. This is ridiculous. Okay, I don't know what to do with myself. Okay. Ooh, okay. Right, I'm gonna sit it in the glass so that it doesn't melt in my hands, and I'm gonna put it back in the fridge, and then I'm just gonna run around for a minute with excitement because what the heck is this? I don't really know where to go from here because I just don't want to break the ball. So what you're meant to do next is make a hole in the bottom of the ball and then put ice cream and exciting stuff onto a plate, put the ball on top, and then pour the hot caramel or hot chocolate on top. I don't think I can do that given how long it took me to make the ball. I am terrified at this point, so I just need a moment. What I'm gonna do is put this into hot water, make it nice and hot, and then sit the ball on top of it, and it should melt a hole in the ball. We'll see what happens from there because I don't think I'm gonna even get that far. We have our ball. This is absolutely terrifying. And I'm gonna grab this hot thing with a glove, and we're going to put it upside down on here, and we're going to put this on here. I don't like this game. Stuck to it. We have a teeny hole. that is a masterpiece, if I do say so myself, and that is going straight back in the fridge. What the heck? Okay, time to decorate the plate. Our first issue, we do not own an ice cream scoop. This is the closest we have to a, wait. I have a melon baller. Okay, we're gonna melon ball some ice cream. How cute is that? We're gonna pretend that we work in a really fancy restaurant. Like this. Fancy. Okay, so you can do the next bit with either melted chocolate or caramel. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the one that we made earlier that broke and test the hot chocolate and see if that works. And if not, we'll make caramel for the proper one. But we're gonna have a little tester, so here goes. I mean, I'd still eat it. Right, hot chocolate doesn't work that well. We're gonna have to make a caramel mix. Tried my very, very, very best to make caramel sauce. Failed. I have this. It's kind of caramel sauce. It's just very, very light caramel sauce. So I have one of my attempts, one of my broken pieces, and I'm just gonna pour a little bit of this on it and see if it melts. Ooh, yes it does. Okay, we're gonna go for this. Teeny ball of ice cream. A little drizzle of sauce on it. A couple of sprinkles. Gonna put this over the top. This is looking good. And then I'm gonna try some gold glitter spray. You ready? Oh my gosh, I don't know how well you can see that on camera, but that looks amazing. Doing a little cleanup process. I think I'm just making it worse. Here goes nothing. Oh no, I don't want to do it. Okay. Nothing's happening. What if I do this? You guys, it's all happening around the back. It looks so good from this side, but this side is not working. Come on guys, let's melt a little bit. Come on. Jeez Louise, that is hot and I've just burnt my tongue. That looks so impressive. I'm actually a little bit angry at myself for filming the wrong side. Oh, it's falling. Maybe the gold doesn't melt. I would be happy to receive that at a restaurant. I would be happy to dig straight into that. Look at my little piece of ice cream in the middle. Okay, so I have one final ball. This was the one that came just after the previous one, and it's been in the freezer this whole time. I've just popped it out. It worked. I'm really, really excited. So I'm just gonna quickly make a hole in the bottom. We're gonna fill it up. We're gonna see if we can do this again, and hopefully my caramel will stay warm enough, but I don't know if it will, so fingers crossed for me. Okay, here goes. Nothing's happening. Come on, you can do this. Please, ball. Yes, it's all melted. Oh, yes. It looks so good. Look at it. I am so proud of myself. Oh. Hello restaurant food. I succeeded. That's amazing. I'm going to treat myself to a little bit of this because, hello, I've spent about 20 hours doing this. My gosh. Okay, so that, I'm gonna say, was a major success. I'm very, very happy with myself. I probably have chocolate in my teeth and on my mouth, but I couldn't care less. I'm so happy. So that is it for today's video. I really do hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments what other videos you would love to see from me. Give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe if you're brand new. And I will see you very, very soon. Bye.